how to fix Brawl Stars not full screen. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If Brawl Stars isn't displaying in full screen on a device, don't worry. I have got a few easy solutions to help you fix it. So let's get started. First, check your device display settings. Sometimes screen display options can affect app sizes. Go to your phone settings, look for display or screen settings and check if there's an option like full screen apps or apps aspect ratio and find Brawl Stars and set it to full screen. This should help the app is displaying in a windowed mode. If that didn't work, make sure Brawl Stars is up to date. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Brawl Stars and check if an update is available. If there is, install the update. It may include fixes for display issues. Next, restart the game and your device. If the issue persists, try restarting both the game and your device. Close Brawl Stars completely, restart your device and open the game again. This can reset display settings and may resolve the full screen issue. If none of the previous steps worked, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. Press and hold the Brawl Stars app icon, tap on uninstall and go to the App Store and download Brawl Stars again and check if it's display in full screen. And that's it. Hopefully these steps help fix the full screen issue with Brawl Stars. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.